Well, hello, it's Hoosier Man Outdoors and another project. I'm putting rod holders on the back side of the door. So you can see how it works. Looks pretty good. Yeah, it seems to work pretty good. Mainly PVC, with a slot in it. Lighting's bad, but I drilled, and make sure you grind off the screws on the back, or make sure you use short enough screws. And I just used a drill bit, a bigger drill bit to, this one doesn't really need anything except you got to drill these two here so you can get your screws in. But this one's got a slot on top, so you can take your rod in and out like that. Works pretty good. So I'm gonna finish it up. I don't know if I have enough wood to do all mine, but I'll probably put some on each panel, maybe except for the very top panel, and maybe, I don't know, so 4 or 6 different panels probably. So I'll try to get some dimensions and stuff on mine, and anyway, it's a good idea. I like it. Yeah, so this is actually, I think, electrical conduit. It's 2 inches, or inch and a half. I'm sorry, inch and a half. Just drilled some small holes in there, and then used a bigger bit. I think I used like a 1/2 inch countersink bit. So because they're not exactly lined up, but it'll be all right. Anyway, so this is an inch and a half electric conduit. You can use PVC. The other one, what did I do with them? So the other ones you have to, let me see here. So the other ones, I have to cut this one a little bit more. Let's see. So it's, I'm going to cut that a little bit wider. I'll take off all the rough edges. Probably take another, maybe 1/8 off of this, and then I still got to drill the holes, so you can get in there, and then we'll hang it up. Just kind of lining these up, mark them so they're pretty close. This one's about to get drilled. That'll go there. That'll go there, and then I'll put one more on. But like I said, I think this is a 7/64. So I think a 7/64 drill bit, and just a 1/2 inch. You can use bigger, smaller, whatever you want for but just in case my holes aren't, I don't want to try to fight it, so I just made the hole bigger. It doesn't really affect anything. So, so after I took a hacksaw, drilled these a little, I'm just gonna tap them over. They break pretty easy. Then I'm just gonna, it's hard to do, but nice and smooth, no burrs to damage the back of your door. So I finished it, enough for 3 pulls. Looks pretty good. I better give it a try real quick. I don't have all the fancy camera gear or anything like that to take videos, so I apologize. So let's give it a try here. Worked out good. Nothing fell anyway. Pretty good. Let's go. Put it back down, give it a try. That looks pretty good. I did notice this one here, the handle was touching the other one. Should have spaced them maybe just a hair more, but it still works very, very nice. So that's good. So here's the, you just gotta, you know, cut the top out like this right here. You know, so you put it in there. More or less, I just, you know, this has nothing but screws in it. There's no, you don't really have to cut anything out. Drill your holes so you can get to your screws. Alright. Got 3 of them on there. Not bad. Sweet. Well, found some more wood, so I'll run these down to, let's see what the last one set at. Run just under, I don't know if that's correct, because I think it definitely, I think it was more like 3/4 of an inch there, but anyway. You guys don't want to hear me fire this up and run these through, I'm sure. So I'll let you go. We got done. I believe these are approximately about 3/8. About 3/8. So those should fit in my door. Those should fit fine. See how it goes down. Seemed to work out pretty good. Might need to raise this one just a hair, but